Have you ever wanted to speak English or any language like a native speaker? With AI-powered pronunciation feedback, our platform helps you practice speaking with confidence in multiple languages. Hi, I'm Unicorn NS. I'll show you how to use this website. First, let's explore one of its core features, native speech generation. Our platform supports multiple languages, allowing you to practice not only English but also a wide range of other languages. Enter a topic you'd like to practice here. Then click Generate Native Speech. Your story will be generated instantly. Click Listen to hear the story.
Love, a four-letter word that carries an endless amount of meaning and emotion.
Here is a list of natural-sounding AI voices. Choose your favorite voice.
Love, a four-letter word that carries an endless...
Here, you can adjust the speaking speed based on your proficiency level.
Love, a four-letter word that...
You can customize your prompt by checking this checkbox and entering your ideas in the text box. Now, let's move on to the speech assessment feature. Here, you can select the language for translation.
Love.
Click the microphone icon to start practicing.
Love is a force that transforms life.
Your assessment results will be displayed instantly, including accuracy, completeness, and fluency. Let's check the word-by-word assessment results. Here, you can review your pronunciation score for each word and practice the ones that need improvement.
Transforms.
Transform.
In the Needs Work section, you can view the words that need improvement and enable drilling mode to practice them until you achieve a perfect score of 100.
Lives.
Lies. Love.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and practice daily to speak English like a native speaker.